If you like my nail design, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in. These are my nails. I'm loving them. This is a full set that I did of the Gel X, and I did the designs freestyle, just whatever. Had no real thought prior to doing them. And I absolutely love them. I wasn't really feeling the color at first. This isn't a color I normally use. However, after adding the silver foil, I really feel like it popped the color how I needed it to. It still has like a see-throughness to the color. It's like a purple shimmer. I don't know. I'm loving it. Right, and the best part is I got the polish. It's gel polish for $1.29. This is all my materials right here. As you can see, $1.29 is what I paid for this polish, and I'm loving it. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how to get the polish for $1.29 near you.